Neck pain is extremely common and may be caused by several factors. These include daily activities that involve repetitive forward movement patterns, poor posture, or the habit of holding your head in one position. And yoga is one of the best solutions to manage your neck and head pain by correcting your posture. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about yoga for head and neck pain. Let's start the movements. The first movement is right to left. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep your head in the center, shoulders relaxed and away from the ears. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head towards the right. Breathe normally as you feel the stretch in the left side of the neck. Hold for 5 to 7 breaths. Come back to the center. Repeat on the other side. Moving on to the next movement, which is up and down. Keep your head in the center, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head upwards towards the ceiling without throwing your head back. Feel the front of your neck expanding. Focus on breathing normally. Hold for 5 to 7 breaths. Come back to the center. Take your chin to the chest. Breathe normally for 5 to 7 breaths. Come back to the center. The last movement is side to side. Keep your head in the center, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, center. Drop your right ear to the right shoulder. Feel the stretch in the left side of the neck. Breathe normally and hold for 5 to 7 breaths. Come back to the center. Repeat on the other side. Repeat each movement 3 to 5 times at a slow and comfortable pace. Neck pain is one of the most common issues faced across genders. It should be addressed at the start so as to prevent major spinal issues. If you are looking to start a regular yoga practice, incorporating joint movements is the first step. After all, a happy neck is a happy back. Do try these yoga poses and see how they ease your head and neck pain. Make sure you consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Also, do let us know if you think yoga is beneficial for overall well-being. Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.